This is a used 2010 Ford F-150 powered by four-wheel drive, a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, keyless entry, split rear seats, air conditioning, power windows, power mirrors, power steering, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico 87507.